Echo questions, clarifying with confidence. Hello learners, and welcome to our new video. Today, we'll be focusing on echo questions. Echo questions are a useful tool in everyday conversation, especially when you need to ask for clarification. They help ensure that you've understood what the other person is saying, making your conversations more effective and enjoyable. Let's dive into it. Echo questions, as the name suggests, are about echoing or repeating part or all of what someone else has just said, but with a rising intonation to show that it's a question. We use them when we want to ask for clarification or when we didn't fully understand something. They are a key part of conversational English, making them crucial for English learners. Here's an example. A. I moved to Boston last week. B. You moved to Boston? In this scenario, person B uses an echo question to confirm and clarify that person A moved to Boston. It's a simple but effective way to ask for more information. Using echo questions correctly involves intonation and word emphasis. Let's see how to do it. 1. Intonation. Echo questions should have a rising intonation. It's as if your voice is climbing a hill. For example, 2. A. I bought a new car. 3. B. You bought a new car? 4. Emphasis. In echo questions, you typically emphasize the word that you want to confirm or ask about. In the example above, person B emphasizes the word car. Remember, using echo questions correctly can make a huge difference in making your conversations clearer and more engaging. Echo questions can be used in various scenarios. They're most useful when you didn't hear something clearly, want to express surprise or disbelief, need to confirm or clarify information. Here are some examples. A. I've decided to quit my job. B. You've decided to quit your job? A. It rained heavily in the desert. B. It rained in the desert? These examples show that echo questions can help confirm details, express surprise, or request for more clarification. That wraps up our session on echo questions. Remember, echo questions are a great way to clarify information during conversations. So, practice using them with a friend or in your daily English conversations. They'll help you understand others better and be understood more clearly. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we hope this video has made your journey with English a little easier and more enjoyable. Until next time, happy learning!